Hello everyone, this is Meenu World. Today I'm going to show you how to make this paper lotus flower. It looks nice as a decoration and can be used for other purposes as well. If you want to make this lotus flower, then you can visit my website and go to my activities page where you will find folding instructions on this. For now, we will be making this flower. You will be needing 10 by 10 cm 3 pieces of purple paper and also 9 by 9 cm 2 or 1 piece of purple paper. You will be needing 2 pieces of 8 by 8 cm paper. I am using blue color. Also for the leaf part, we will be requiring 15 by 21 cm 2 pieces. First, we will be making the petals using the square papers. Follow the folding instructions as shown. When you fold till here, you will be having 3 flaps. Now take the folded part and bend it towards the end crease into half. On the folded part, draw a half petal shape and cut it out. Open it up. We are going to be cutting in between each petal so that it will make it easier for us to fold the petals individually. Fold each petal in half. Place the petals in this way. Do the same with all the other petals, and now we are going to start assembling the lotus part. First take the 10 by 10 cm petals and glue them on top of each other. Next, glue the 9 by 9 cm paper. Before gluing the 8 by 8 cm pieces, you have to keep one piece aside for making the middle part of the flower. It's very easy to make it. You just have to glue each petal with the other petal. After making it, glue it on top of the other petals. Now our lotus is done. Let it dry. Meanwhile, we will make the leaf. So take the green color paper of 15 into 21 cm and fold it in the accordion fold manner. Just like this. After you have folded the whole paper like that, bend it in half and glue it. Do the same with the other green paper and glue them both together. Apply some glue in the middle to help secure it. Now our leaf is done. I'm going to be sticking a circle piece of paper on it to provide a flat surface. For the lotus, stick it in the middle of it. Now glue the lotus on top of the paper. And now our lotus is done. Let it dry. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and share it if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to get more of this type of content. You can watch my previous video on how to make a DIY desk organizer and also visit my website for more activities. Both the links are in the description. Thank you.